Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we'll see how to create a manual credit memo and apply it to open invoice. Click on receivables, click on billing, click on task list. Now click on create a transaction. Now select the transaction class as credit memo. Select your business unit. Select the transaction type credit memo. So enter your transaction number 3456. Now search for your customer ERPZEN. Click on search. Now why you are creating this credit memo? Price correction, price correction, quantity is 1 and the unit price is minus 100. Click on complete and review. Yeah, it was completed and the transaction number is 161766. Now click on save and close. Now you create an open transaction, create a transaction. Now select the type as invoice. Now this is the business unit and the transaction number is 6789. Automatically system will generate the transaction number. Now search for your customer ERPZEN. Customer, click on OK. Now sales made, quantity is 1 and the amount is $1000. Say complete and review. Yeah, transaction number is 161767. Now click on save and close. Now let us apply this credit memo to the standard invoice. Click on receivables, click on accounts receivable, click on task list. Now click on manage credit memo application under credit memo section. Click on manage credit memo application. Now search with your transaction number. This is not the one. Yeah, this is the credit memo. Click on edit, select the record and click on edit. Now click on add open receivables. You can see the unapplied amount 100, accounted amount 100 and all. This is the credit memo information. Now click on add open receivables. Now search. This is the transaction number. Click on search. Yeah, this is the transaction number. Click on search. So from this transaction you want to reduce $100. Now say add. You have successfully added it. You can see in the background. And the original amount is $1000, but since The applied amount is $100 and the amount due that has to be paid is $900. Now click on save. Save and close. This is how you can apply a manual credit memo. Now you will check the balances. Click on receivables. Click on billing. Click on task list. Now click on manage transactions. Now search with your transaction number. Click on search. Now here open the transaction and the original amount is $1,000. Now if you click on actions, view transaction activities, you can see the transaction action. What is the credit memo invoice number, installment number, activity class and activity amount, activity date, accounting date, status, and on which business unit this transaction was performed, and what is the type, credited amount, activity date, and so on. The information we can see here. Now click on done. Now click on actions. Click on view balance details. Now you can see the original amount of the transaction is $1,000, and since we have applied a credit memo, you can see credit refunds minus $100. So 1000 minus 100, the net balance of this invoice is $900. So customer has to pay $900. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Click on home. This is how you have to create a manual credit memo and apply it against an open invoice, an open sales invoice. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.